Hello, Cosmos Explorers. Welcome back to Cosmosphere. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to witness the birth of a new world? To catch a glimpse of a planet forming, light years away, floating in the quiet void of space? This isn't science fiction. It happened. In the year 2025, a silent giant called the James Webb Space Telescope turned its eye toward a young star and saw something extraordinary. This is not just the story of a planet. This is the story of what it means to be human, to search, to discover, and to finally find something no one else has seen before. This is the story of TWA-7b. They called it impossible. They said it would never launch. It was delayed, tested, rebuilt. And yet, on a cold morning in December 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope rose into the sky, an origami of gold and precision sent to rewrite astronomy. But this wasn't just another telescope. This was a time machine. With its gold-coated mirrors and infrared sensors, James Webb Space Telescope could look deeper into space than anything before it, farther than Hubble ever could. Why infrared? Because the further something is in space, the longer its light stretches. And the oldest things, the earliest galaxies, the faintest planets, they glow not in visible light, but in infrared. Webb was made to see the unseen, but nobody expected it to find what it did in mid-2025. Somewhere, 110 light-years from Earth, in the southern skies of the constellation Hydra, there lives a star, small, red, and young. Astronomers named it TWA-7. It's only 10 million years old, a baby in cosmic terms. Our sun, for comparison, is 4.6 billion years old, and around this baby star was something curious. Not one ring, not two, but 3 rings of dust, concentric circles spinning in silence. It was beautiful and strange. Why were the rings so clean, so symmetrical? Something or someone was shaping them. And that's when scientists realized there had to be a planet, a world hiding in the dust. On June 25, 2025, after months of analysis, the James Webb Space Telescope finally locked onto it. A faint glow, not reflected light, but heat. The planet wasn't just being seen, it was being felt. They named it TWA-7b, a gas giant almost the size of Saturn, cold, distant, yet glowing in infrared like a candle in the void. This was James Webb Space Telescope's first direct image of a planet orbiting another star. Not an artist's rendering, not a simulation, a real picture of a real world orbiting a star we will never touch. It was like looking at a baby photo of a planet still growing, still forming in the cosmic cradle of its dusty nursery. TWA-7b is more than a dot in space. It's proof. Proof that planets can form in chaos. Proof that stars, tiny red quiet stars like TWA-7, can give birth to massive gas giants. And most importantly, proof that James Webb Space Telescope can see them. For the first time, we're not just guessing what exoplanets might be. We can see their atmosphere. We can study their heat signatures. We can watch them change in real time. TWA-7b isn't just the first. It's the beginning of a new chapter. Soon we might see super-Earths, or even habitable worlds. But while we look to new worlds, there's something else, something darker, happening closer to home. Above our heads, thousands of satellites orbit Earth, and among them, millions of pieces of space junk, defunct satellites, broken rocket parts, fragments from old missions, each one flying faster than a speeding bullet. If one hits another, it shatters into more, and soon Earth's orbit could become a minefield. This month, the European Union passed the Space Act, a new law requiring all satellite operators to take responsibility. Remove your junk, protect the orbit, or face the consequences. It's a bold move and a necessary one, because we can't explore space if we destroy the sky around us. In the past, space was about competition. Now, it's about preservation and collaboration. Webb sees the birth of worlds. Europe makes laws to protect them, and companies from Japan, Switzerland, and the US race to build satellites that can catch debris. We are no longer just explorers, we are now caretakers, because the sky is not infinite, not anymore. And what we do today will echo through the stars tomorrow. TWA 7b is just one planet, one dot, but it reminds us of something bigger, that in the vastness of space, even the smallest light can guide us. We have the tools, we have the vision, and now we have the responsibility to protect our sky, to seek new worlds, and to never stop wondering, what else is out there? This is the beginning.